seen people build them to where, size or slides into a drawer.
I like how these are.
Or I've seen them that fold out of a closet.
Should we go around with the big tall trees?
Yeah,
Yep.
I've seen those too. I've also seen ones that hang from the ceiling, and you just lower it down to.
Should we go
use
around
it
this way and look at the big
back
tall
up.
trees?
Figure out what works in your room.
Wow, this is so cool.
That kind of looks like Mullen Pass. Oh, here's one. Oh, there's the same train that we saw.
Yep. It's moving a little slower than the rest.
I can't believe it's going through Mullen Tunnel.
Yep. There it is. Oh, sorry. There's the snowy part.
I can't help but figure that one of the reasons why they end up having to do this on Sunday is they need to put it together.
Full horizontal video here.
So what part of the country is this? Colors?
No, I don't think there was anything particular in mind on this. Some of them are in some.
Generic areas.